All right, welcome back, everybody. Anybody that's new here, thanks for joining me today. I hope you won't be disappointed because I'm going to be going and chasing some big bluegills. Bluegills, crappie, perch, any kind of panfish that's willing to bite right now because it's been kind of crappy out. And in the springtime, when the weather changes for the worse, when it gets cold, like I can dress warm, I'm used to ice fishing, it's fine. But those stupid little panfish, well, hopefully sometime big panfish, get real finicky and either go out deeper or move around. So I'm going to do some moving around today, and I'm going to try and find some and get them on film. They get very elusive this time of year. So hopefully, if you're seeing this, I found some fish.
Okay, time to move. I had one. Switched it up to the Mega Mudbug, and this like clear pinkish thing. I think it'll work great. There we go. Yep, I definitely like it. It's almost gone. Works. Alright, now that we figured it out, let's catch some big ones. Is that a better one? Oh, about the same size. A little 4 or 5 inches. But it's a fish. There we go. Well, I had a bigger one. A little bit bigger. Not a lot. Yep, bigger fish up here. Tried telling him. There's a good one. Get him in the boat. That's better. Well, they're getting bigger. About the same size. I wanted to keep fish. These are the keepers. Ooh, what's that? That feels better. There you go. Now they're getting bigger. Just had to figure them out. Wait it out. Another one. Yeah, these are all like 6-7 inches. Yeah, 7 inches. A bigger one? A little bit. That feels like a better one. It is. They're getting bigger. He's been caught before. Munch that bait. Look at that. That BY Baits is killing it. There we go. I think there's a school of them right there. Decent fish. They do get better, but for now, it's just proof that this little jig that I painted and then that BY Baits Mega Mudbug, I believe, is killing it. So I have very, very, very good confidence that when I'm chasing those monsters, they'll eat this. Ooh, there's a big one. A lot bigger. It's actually probably close to an 8. Skinny, but still an 8. There's a big crappie. They just must have started moving in. Like I said before, right before dark usually. Not keeping anything though.
Okay, guys, so obviously we didn't get any of those guys, those monsters, the big ones. It's what I was looking for. But I did catch some fish, and with the way this weather's been lately, it's kind of impressive that I even figured them out. The BY Baits Mega Mudbug was the money bait today. So if you guys are looking for those, just go bybaits.com or hit them up on Facebook if you're on Facebook or something like that. They're really good baits, and I'm actually very impressed with them, as that is actually one of the biggest benefits of today's video, I guess. Even though they were small fish, the biggest thing is the bigger baits, or the bigger bluegills. So there was a lot of little ones. I don't think I showed you guys all those, but the bigger ones that I did end up getting were on the BY Baits. So when I'm looking for fish like this guy right here, which is huge, when I'm looking for those, it gives me more confidence in those baits, knowing that they're good replication of like insects and stuff like that. And that's why I go with BY Baits, because all of their baits are like that. I'm gonna do a review about it. If you guys want to see a review on all the different baits that they have, and like I'll kind of go in details and like my personal like panfish, I don't want to say expertise because I'm not an expert. I'm still learning, but the reason I use them, and I'll go, I'll do like a whole review. So comment below if you guys want me to do like a review on the BY Baits. Like, I'll go over all of them. I won't do like one and one and one and one. I'll do a review on all the plastics that I've been using, and hopefully it helps some of you guys track down some of those monsters. And hopefully the weather warms up here soon, because that's the big problem. It's been cold, rain, cold, warm, rain, cold, rain, like back and forth. And in the spring, anytime it's cold rain, anytime the wind's blowing cold, the fish keep moving. So the trick here is finding them. So hopefully the next video you guys see is me on top of fish, and big ones at that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's simple little video of catching some bluegills. I mean, when all else fails, go all bluegill fishing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Obviously, if you're not new here, you know what's up. But if you are new, can you please just remember to